Want a massive back? Watch this. 4 exercises, 1 routine. Build that barn door. Number 1, wide grip rows for width. Pull to your chest. Squeeze those shoulder blades tight. Number 2, barbell bent over rows for thickness. Drive your elbows back. Feel that full contraction. Number 3, lat pull downs for detail. Pull down smooth, control the negative, stretch at the top. Number 4, pull-ups for power. Full hang, explosive pull, chin over the bar. Train hard, train heavy, build that armor plating. That's how you build a truly massive back. Follow for more gains. Aesthetic Gym.